Shisngi hadian banakalyang kahinyo trap National Liberation Council HNLC kalapha ya ka Kyrwoh bakanom ya kran yasuk kat baka sarkar jala kampatla ban penba yaupot usam na kalyang ka kong Ida Shisha Nongrang Director General of Police DGP ka jala kalami syakmat ban kran AA halor kani. Habakran sikilat patay kubor hak nopai sngi joga arpuai tarik risau arhajar pusan kekong Ida Shisha Nongrang kalaong banakalyang ka sarkar jala nadu ningkong kapli ya ka jingkang ban ya kran yasuk. Hakabi daipat bat kakam bu bom IED ha omsning na kalyang kakong Ida Shisha Nongrang kalaong bawat la ka HNLC kayale ban pen I ya kabor Henry kibor pulit ru kila longi ba Pynkhreh ban yale ban Tehlakam yakini ki kam pentrim.
Where HNLC is concerned, I think I would like to reserve my comments. They have their grounds, they have their reasons, and government has made it clear, numerous times that the door is always open for negotiations. But HNLC should also realize that unless there's a negotiated agreement in the system that we are in the country that we are in, it's not going to work. Violence is not the answer.
But considering their activities, we have seen them. The police managed to prevented that bomb in Sning recently. How do you see this strong of illegal activities of the?
Well, they obviously would be trying to make sure that their presence is known and that that they still have the capabilities. We are trying our best to ensure that those capabilities are not demonstrated.
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.